Good morning, friends. We are happy to note that the AP government, of course, yesterday the CM of AP, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, he has declared in the assembly that AP government has amended the AP Gaming Act 1974 and prevented or banned the online gaming. So you may be knowing online gaming, online poker, online rummy, online games, online cricket betting, all these things they are banned. Of course, this amendment has come with the signature of the governor in September 2020 itself. Right? Dream 11. So major victims are Dream 11, that is IPL matches. Right? So why these things and what is? Of course, already Telangana, states of Telangana, Kerala, and so many states have passed, but in Goa they allowed, Assam has passed negatively. So anyway, so please remember, as regards 1974 AP Gaming Act, of course it was a small act, it was a petty case when we were booking cases, and there were 17 sections in that act. Basically, more likely section 3, 4 and section 9, they are more important. Section 3 is the description of a common gaming house, where where a person maintains a house or any residence as a common gaming house, the person who maintains, the owner, is liable. So section 4 says the persons who are found in the den or in the so common gaming house, they are also liable for punishment. Section 9 is generally, it is a penal section for gaming in a public place. So please, you may be knowing game of chance and game of skill. So already Supreme Court has decided in so many cases that poker is a game of skill, and also rummy is a game of skill. Lot of intelligence is necessary. Of course, you may be knowing, if any game is played with money, when there is betting, yes, it is not allowed. Simply we can say that. Anyway, we had heavy contests in the case of clubs like LVR Club Guntur, and so many clubs, they used to get appointed a commissioner, and their activities, so many things are that. Of course, luckily nowadays such things are not there. Even Hyderabad Club also faced the rank of the collector at one point of time, since I raided the club without permission of the collector, without taking a warrant in Ongole. But anyway, gone are the days. Now the problem is, so what is gaming? You may be knowing gaming means betting on the price of yarn, that is cotton. Betting on the registration numbers of the vehicles which are passing. So many things, cotton business, all the betting, or simply playing cards normally in and outside, all these things you know very well, right? So added to this, so now online gaming also is added in the definition of gaming, because already they have been saying so many advertisements about the online sites, websites, stating that I have earned so many lakhs of rupees through this online, and people are playing the same. But we are also seeing the incidents where particularly the youth, they are heavily indebted to the others due to the online gaming, and ultimately due to that they have committed suicide. And it has been, yesterday there was a discussion in the assembly also, that the government is not going to spare anybody who encourage the so-called gaming. So the CM himself stated that the relative of a minister was involved in gaming racket and he was not spared, he was arrested, like that he has been telling. Of course, these things are like this, but gaming is going on, so many clubs are running, so many MLAs are running the clubs. That is the general natural phenomena, known phenomena, but the government has decided to take very good action by banning the online gaming, because as already told you, so many people, we have seen so many youngsters becoming indebted to somebody, or making heavy loans from the known persons. Ultimately, since they are not able to repay the same, they are committing suicide. So in order to avoid all these things, it's better to implement or to amend the Gaming Act. Now this will be called as amendment to AP Gaming Act. Now this is Ordinance 2020. So in this case, only thing is the persons who play online gaming, prohibited online gaming like poker, rummy, or Dream 11, cricket match, all these things. So the persons who are maintaining the den, maybe online, so who are doing it the same, maybe online, because they do not have a physical den may not be necessary. These persons who are running the same, they will be deemed as running the same under section 3, and whoever found, he will be deemed as section 4, and they will be punished. The owners will be punished for 1 year and 5,000 fine. Of course, the gamblers will be punished for 6 months, and fine is rupees 5,000. Suppose if it is second offense or subsequent offense, the term of punishment may extend to 2 years, and the fine may extend to 10,000. So that is the amendment brought by the AP government. Very good amendment. Now yesterday, the Home Minister, Srimati Mekatoti Sucharita, she has disclosed that the amendment is made because the online gaming, it is actually showing its dragnet or placing its dragnet over the youth. Due to this in online gaming, the youth are being induced to criminal behavior and involve themselves in a number of organized crimes like murders and also money laundering, and also committing cheating and frauds also. Such instances might have come to the notice of the government. That's why she has stated like that. And many internet websites which provide gambling services are not authentic, and there are no regulating measures to check the legitimacy also. So maybe the result yesterday we have seen the poker site, online poker site, that is Rummy Poker. So they declared that the players from AP will not be allowed. The players from AP will not be. Already the result has come. So this is good. So definitely online gaming should be banned, no doubt. There are certain people who say that instead of banning the same, better to regularize, because it is not possible to control the same. But some effort should be made. Actually, we have to, because the legal status, it will be definitely, if you go to the Supreme Court, they may not be successful, because already Supreme Court has given in Kittina of judgments that rummy is a game of skill, not a chance. Poker is a game of skill. They have categorized the same. Anyway, let us see. It's a footstep, good footstep in the beginning. So we'll see if at all any troubles are there, they may try to correct the same also. Right? Anyway, it's a good thing. Online gaming prohibition already Telangana has done, but they have not clearly stated what is a game of chance and game of skill. Now this act, this amendment of AP applies to both game of skill and game of chance. Online gaming is totally prohibited. In this connection, I want to tell you, please remember, Section 69 of the Information Technology Act gives power to the central government to ban certain sites like this. Of course, the central government is banning the so-called pornographic sites in that using the power under Section 69. Of course, the states also assume the power. So using their power, now AP government has taken a further step of banning the online gaming. Right? Very good step. We have to appreciate. Thank you.